Once you have added your contact to OpenBooks, you will then be in a position to add your project. If the contact is who we're billing, the project is what we are billing for. From the overview page, select Work from the top menu, and from the sub-menu, select Projects. The first time you add a project within OpenBooks, you'll be presented with a splash screen. You'll need to select Create My First Project. Subsequent times, the top right-hand corner is where you need to look, and look for the green box that says Create Project. You'll need to make sure you have your project name and your billing rate to hand before we proceed. Select the right contact from the contact drop-down. Then give the project a name that you will recognise. If you have a contract or purchase order number, put it in the box entitled Contract or PO number. This will then appear on your invoice. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can leave this blank. If you scroll down the screen slightly, you will come to the time and money box. If you have a budget, please put in your budget on hours or on monetary value in here, and OpenBooks will remind you when you come to these figures. If you do not have a budget, you can leave this blank and this will not come into play. When asked for the hours per day, please put in your average hours worked per day, as it will pull through this onto your time tracking as a best fit. For example, if you usually work 8 hours a day, please put in 8 hours per day. Where it says normal billing rate, if you put in your normal billing rate, be that per day or per hour. So for our example, I'm putting in £200 and I'm going to change that from per hour to per day. Once you are happy with the data you have input, you can select Create New Project button. Well done, you have now created your project. The screen you are seeing now is the list of projects. As time progresses and you have more than one project in the system, from this screen you'll be able to select and have a look at historic projects and current projects. What you can now see is the overview page for the project you have just added. This shows you the number of hours you have billed, what's set to pay, and what's being paid. It's a useful tool in conjunction with the main dashboard of your OpenBooks. You can now either add another project or you can return to the overview page of your OpenBooks by selecting Overview from the top bar.